Hello guys, today I will show you the roadmap of a .NET Backend developer for 2022 and we will follow this roadmap. I will give sessions from the very basics of C# and .NET and we will surely following this roadmap. I will share the link with you and we will skip some sections for now and we'll cover it later. These sections would be the general development skills and solid principles, because the solid principles, this is a advanced topic, so we are starting from very basics. So we will cover C#, ASP.NET Cores and SQL fundamentals. Definitely we will do this because it is very important, and some database management system, ORMs, object relation managers, and we will definitely go through these topics and you will be a full stack .NET developer. At the end of the session I will give you, and keep in touch, follow me, subscribe me. Okay, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da.